Hi everyone, welcome back, and welcome if you're new here. Today, we're going to move slowly and intentionally, focusing on gentle care for the jawline. No rush, just allow yourself to settle in and follow along at your own pace. In this routine, I'll guide you through a step-by-step jaw massage designed to support smoother-looking skin along the jawline. This isn't about forcing change or chasing perfection. It's about helping this area relax so the skin and the wrinkles resting above it aren't constantly kept tight. With gentle, consistent care, many women notice a softer overall appearance over time. Wrinkles along the jawline aren't always just about age or skincare alone. Very often, they're influenced by tension patterns that develop quietly over the years. We use this area constantly when we chew, speak, concentrate, or clench without realizing it. When that tension stays locked in place, the skin above it can begin to look more creased or heavy. On this channel, I focus on gentle routines that work with your face, not against it. There's no aggressive pulling here and no quick fix promises, just calm, supportive techniques that respect how the face naturally responds to touch. Before we begin, make sure your skin feels clean and comfortable. Apply a light layer of oil so the hands can move smoothly without dragging. As you watch the movements here, remember that at home, your own hands can recreate the same gentle pressure. We'll start slowly, allowing the area to prepare itself. Begin with slow, calming movements along the jaw. These first strokes aren't meant to change anything yet. They simply warm the area and signal to the body that it's safe to relax. Let your hands move slowly, following the natural shape of the jawline. Stay here for about 30 seconds, moving at a pace that feels comfortable for you. Now, bring your attention to the side of the jaw, just in front of the ear. This area does a tremendous amount of work throughout the day, often without rest. Using gentle, steady pressure, allow the hands to move slowly up and down. There's no need to force anything here. Let this movement help the area slowly relax. Remain here for about 60 seconds, allowing yourself to move slowly and comfortably. Now switch to the other side of the jaw. Notice that it may feel slightly different from the first, tighter, softer, or just different. That's completely normal. Do the same slow, steady movement here, adjusting the pressure as needed. Take about another minute on this side, moving slowly and comfortably. Next, guide the movement downward along the jaw. This motion isn't about stretching the skin or pulling it into place. It's about easing held tension downward so the area can feel less compressed. Keep the pressure light and controlled, allowing the jaw to unclench naturally as you move. Repeat this slow downward release for about 1 minute, moving at a pace that feels right for you. Continue with the same downward motion, letting your hands follow a steady rhythm. After a few slow moments, the jaw often begins to feel more at ease. You may notice the face settling into a more relaxed state. Stay with this repetition for another 45 seconds, without rushing. Now, begin sweeping gently along the jawline, moving from the chin toward the ear. Allow each stroke to feel smooth and even. This movement supports a jawline where wrinkles can look softer and more at ease. Let the hands set a calm rhythm, repeating this sweep for about 1 minute. As you continue sweeping along the jawline, notice how the area responds. The goal here isn't pressure, but consistency. When movements stay slow and even, the skin and muscle beneath often respond more willingly. Remain here for another 45 seconds, keeping the touch gentle. Take a slow breath in through the nose and an easy breath out through the mouth. As you breathe, continue light strokes along the jawline. This combination of touch and breath helps signal the nervous system to soften. Stay here for about 45 seconds. With both hands now, allow the movements to flow together along the jawline. This is where everything we've done begins to come together naturally. When the jaw is no longer holding constant tension, it often rests more comfortably. Continue this flowing motion for about 1 full minute. This kind of jawline massage supports the face in a few simple ways. It helps the jaw feel less tight, which can soften how the lower face, including wrinkles along the jawline, looks. It also encourages circulation in the area, supporting a healthier looking glow. And over time, many women notice the jawline and the wrinkles there look more relaxed and balanced. It's subtle, but those small changes can add up. Slow the movements even more now. Notice how the jaw feels compared to when you began. Softer, calmer, more relaxed. This kind of care works best when it's gentle and consistent over time. Stay with this quiet moment for about 30 seconds. What matters most is how your face feels and looks after taking this time. It's about taking care of your face in a way that feels good and doable. If you've watched this far and enjoy calm, step-by-step routines like this, you're always welcome to subscribe. I'm Carolyn, and this is Repair Our Health. Thank you for spending these moments with me. Just a quick note before you go. This routine is shared for general beauty and relaxation purposes only. It's not medical advice and isn't meant to diagnose or treat any condition. If you have ongoing pain, jaw issues, or health concerns, it's always best to check with a qualified healthcare professional. Always listen to your body and use pressure that feels comfortable for you.